Here at Tiger Cat Industries, we are the leader in forestry equipment. To better help us in setting up our equipment and machining process in the machine shop, we had to look at several different companies to provide us with probing systems. We were able to settle upon one company that we felt very comfortable with. It was a good fit, was Renishaw. They have very good support. Their on-site technicians are very knowledgeable, and their equipment is what we would call top-notch. We needed a good company to support us, and Renishaw was a perfect fit for us.
Tiger Cat Industries here in Canada originally approached Renishaw. We came in and met with David Harder to understand his process and his needs. Essentially what they wanted to do was automate their setup of their parts. They're very large parts, and what would normally be done manually by an operator would take upwards of an hour. We've been able to streamline and automate so that with consistency and confidence, we are down to the 10 to 15 minute mark. Every part that a probe touches is logged, is recorded, and will notify an operator if there's a problem. We've gone from setup of the parts, so pre-production, to in-process inspection, and all the way to part verification before removing the part from the machine. Across the board, what originally would have been a cycle time improvement with automation has resulted in not only production improvements, not only safety for the operator, but means of checking the machine health and knowing that your entire process is up to spec.